Why is Finland's school education system called the best in the world? And why did a senior CBSE official say, "There's nothing to take away from Helsinki, India simply can't afford it"? But wait, can India innovate instead of imitate? Our channel, Mission Viksit India, brings forth innovative ideas in every video with the goal of transforming India into a fully developed nation by the year 2047. Today's video also presents discussion as to how education in Indian schools can be made world-class. We request you to watch the video from beginning to end and, share your thoughts in the comments. Today, we present a powerful vision that could revolutionize Indian classrooms without needing a single rupee more. Finland's schools are known for their hands-on learning approach, from science labs and design studios to real-world environment projects. True, our schools, especially in rural areas, lack labs, materials, or funds for project-based learning. Secondly, many of our school teachers pursued Bachelor of Education and Master of Education as a secondary option, often after being unable to secure their preferred positions in high-ranking posts in government or multinational companies. Having themselves emerged from a system rooted in rote learning, many lack exposure to imaginative thinking or innovation. As a result, they often struggle to cultivate these qualities in their students. It is therefore essential to provide targeted training that empowers our educators to nurture imagination, creativity, and innovation in the classroom. But does that mean we give up? Absolutely not. What India can't afford in money, we can achieve with imagination, partnerships, and smart tech. Imagine this. Finland agrees to record their best hands-on learning sessions and shares them with India. These lessons are telecasted via PM e-Vidya, DIKSHA app, and school smart TVs across India. No travel, no fancy labs, just direct knowledge transfer. This brother-sister school partnership could bring global learning to every village. Finnish kids do it. Indian kids watch, learn, replicate with local materials. Now, let's talk about 7 low-cost ideas to bring hands-on training to Indian students. Reverse engineering can really be the best way to teach our students. For example, let's take a Finnish classroom activity and recreate it right here in Indian schools, but using things like plastic bottles, clay, wood, or just plain paper. Creativity always wins over cost. So, do it yourself. Learning kits can really encourage students to experiment. The government or even NGOs could create these low-cost kits using local resources, for subjects like science, agriculture, or robotics. This way, students can actually do real experiments at home. Honestly, a master trainer network is the need of the hour in India. Imagine just a few teachers get training virtually in Finnish techniques to instill habit of imagination in their students, and then they go on to teach and train other schools in their area. Just one trained mentor in each district could end up impacting thousands of students. So, AI and AR simulations can be an option. AI and AR simulations basically refer to the integration of artificial intelligence with augmented reality, to create these immersive, intelligent, and interactive virtual experiences that kind of mimic real-world environments or scenarios. And, accordingly, even simple mobile apps can simulate labs, like you can mix chemicals virtually, build circuits, or even dismantle machines, without needing an actual lab. Now, Innovation Saturdays can be made a routine. Every school could set up a Saturday project hour where children get to replicate a real-world innovation using the Indian context, like, say, water filter models or solar cookers. Local skill integration is honestly a must. Imagine if Indian artisans, farmers, and masons were invited to schools to actually teach their crafts. Just like, say, Finland does with woodwork and pottery. That could be such a game changer for practical education. Also, a national Skillshare portal can be, pretty instrumental in filling the skill gap. Teachers from all across India could upload videos of cheap, brilliant experiments they've tried out. It's a simple idea, but it could really help so many. And then, CBSE or NCERT could feature the best ones every month. That way everyone gets inspired and learns from the very best experiments happening around the country. Okay, so here's how India can make it happen. First, there could be an MOU between the Indian and Finnish education ministries. Next, we could create a Finnish hands-on repository. Then let's link this to DIKSHA, PM eVidya, and regional teacher training. And finally, we should organize national innovation challenges based on Finnish activities. You know, India doesn't need to be Finland. India needs to be India with global wisdom and local innovation. Imagine a digital bridge from Helsinki to Haryana, from Turku to Tamil Nadu. You know, it's not about money, it's about willpower and vision. Let's unlock the minds of millions of Indian school children, and let's give them not just textbooks, but tools. Let's empower the next generation of thinkers, doers, and innovators. If you believe in this idea, please, share this video, comment your thoughts, and tag education policymakers. Let's make sure this conversation reaches classrooms, ministries, and even the PMO. This is Mission Viksit India. Together we build the future. If you liked this video, I humbly request you, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to channel Mission Viksit India. And yeah, don't forget to push the bell icon. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.